cops know our faces? Yeah, and what we're wearing. We need to change our names and our identities. Cool. Let's do it. Man, we look so...
Gangsta.
Yeah, but we still gotta change our names. You're right. I'll be Billy Malone. I'll be Bobby Lorenzo. Alright, man, let's get back home. I know, my mom's gonna kill me. I'm so late for dinner. So, Bill, how long do you think it'll be before we get home? I don't know. It could be a couple of hours. Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, God, they found us! Bob, let's cut through those bushes. You call these bushes? They're bigger than me!